Tired of constant T-Mobile app pop-ups for account updates or promotions? The primary solutions involve managing notifications and background activity. First, disable specific notification channels within the app settings itself, such as promotional alerts. Next, prevent the app from automatically starting by adjusting Autostart settings in your phone's battery optimization menu. For Android users, this is typically found under Settings, Battery, App Launch. Restricting background activity ensures the app doesn't constantly check for updates, which triggers these unwanted pop-ups. T-Mobile has also acknowledged these issues and released an in-app toggle for pop-up reduction mode, which may help reduce notifications. Check for firmware updates to use this feature. Take further control by reviewing the app's permissions. Access Settings, Apps, T-Mobile Permissions, and revoke any unnecessary access, such as storage or location, if you don't need nearby store alerts. Keep only essential permissions like notifications enabled. Android 14 and later offer enhanced permission controls for even greater precision. For Samsung devices, use the Device Care app for advanced app management. On Pixel phones, rely on Google Play services for handling notifications. If pop-ups persist, try clearing the app's cache and data. Consider using T-Mobile's web portal as an alternative if all else fails. Staying up to date with T-Mobile and Android updates is crucial as they release fixes for these issues.